Golden Boy, keep on. Tell John Deere 28 feet. Good morning, right back. Mr. Golden Boy, almighty 28 gone.
A bit of gapy rolling. I'm back quiet.
28. I thought that was you that spoke to me. I wasn't for sure. Hello, 28. Oh, John Deere with the wave. I'm gone.
28. 28.
Right back, double B. Oh, John Deere, say hello, right back, I'm gone.
I'm just trying to make Peter Pie Watergate. Put it down there to John Deere. I'm just trying to get Peter Pie's Watergate. John Deere, double B. Say Peter Pie, roll a video gate. I'm just trying to make Peter Pie video gate. I'll see you.
Oh, yeah, why you trying to make Peter Pie Watergate? All right, then, take care. I'll let you later. Bye.
Yo. Put it down there to John Deere. I'm just trying to make Peter Pie's video gate. John Deere, I'm gone.
Oh, you mean?
Hey, don't be.
Yeah, I don't know if you are nasty boy, but I'm not for sure. Good morning, right back. Good morning. John Deere with the wave. I'm rocking on.
Good morning, Mr. Raptor. What are you got out of here, John Deere? I was just trying to make Peter Pie's video gate. Put it down there to John Deere. Big time, the new number, 28. Double B through the walk away. I go. Double B. While you're doing the walk away. Double B. 28 feet. Put it down on the radar. Double B. While you're doing the walk away. 28 gone.
Nasty boy. Hey, John Deere with the wave. I'm gone.
He shows the wrong time, big time, John Deere. Hey, 28. I think if nasty boy the green light. Hey, John Deere. Tell nasty boy it's not his turn. John Deere, I'm gone.
Let me back it out here, say no.
Nasty boy the green light. Double B, 28, say purify yourself. Sorry, that's what it is. John Deere, I was 20 making a real hard man. But I think if nasty boy the green light, he's supposed to be on channel 19 with the truckers. Hey, John Deere. Nasty boy supposed to be on channel 90 with the truckers. I'm telling you, go.
That's the boy is gone.
Yes.
Don't you say yourself, man? You're supposed to be on channel 19 like the truckers. Behave yourself, nasty boy. John Deere gone.
And you don't find that? I said that, John. Big time. John, I said he's supposed to be on channel 19. Tell him there, John Deere. Don't mix him on there with a mud that and go. Oh, you're going on.
Yeah, 14 and all that. Yeah, 14 and all that. All right, then I'm going to get out the way because, 28 is keying down trying to fire on me. He trying to tell you to tell me something. I'm 28 on the sand pile is keying down trying to tell you to tell me something. So I'm going to get out the way.
John Deere right there, 28 gone. I didn't really do it. What I told 28, he's supposed to be on channel 90 with the truckers. 28, I'm back to him.
Oh, John Deere said good morning. It's 28. John Deere said good morning.
All right.
Good morning. Hey, double B, John Deere gone.
No, 28 gone. 20 minutes, you John Deere should have taken him out. We can use that over here, man. But tell him nasty boy it's not his turn. He's supposed to be on channel 90 with the truckers. Put it down there to John Deere, 28. 28 John Deere, say good morning. 28 John Deere, double B, 10-7. 28 John, 42.
I told you. Double B. All right, good. Real good. Double B, John Deere gone.
Copy on John Deere, number 54. Camper G. Hey, John Deere, number 54. Camper G saying Merry Christmas, homemade slice of bread, and I'm back quiet. Good morning, 777. Season greetings to you and yours. 777, I'm back there.
As a matter, double B, appreciate the Double B. Double B. Chainsaw with the good long way.
Come on, Chainsaw. Chainsaw gotta go on. Put it on there, Chainsaw. Big Thunder, 777, Joe on there, 28. I gotta go do some breakfast. Put it down here, guys. I'm heading over to the kitchen. I go.
Too nasty, boy.
I just put a DC on nasty, boy. You don't know nothing about a damn radio. I told you he's supposed to be on channel 19 with the truckers. I laid a DC on that mud dog. I'm telling you.
Take your nasty boy. John Deere quiet. Bye, 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 bye.
I told you he didn't feel no stick juice. Put it down there, John Deere. I'm back there.
No, a big key on me.
I just put another DC on it. Catch it in, John Deere. I'm telling you and go.
You're a nasty boy. Got down. Crown point you, man. Go there, nasty boy. Double B being nasty me. Double B being nasty me. Leave him on the show. We're right there.
I just wonder if you can hear my drop this DC over here. Hey, John Deere. Just tell me if you can hear that mud dog when I throw a DC over there. I'm telling you and go.
No, he can't get through your DC. He cannot get through your DC at all. Double B, he cannot get through your DC. Oh, John, you're gone. I'll see ya.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Bye. You tell him I say go on channel 19 where he belongs. John Deere, bye.
For me, John Deere, love the boy get my down. I'm not going to tell that man to go to channel 19 because he is talking. He just can't tell when you got the hammer down. And I heard my friend, Audio Pipe, he up also. Good morning, Audio Pipe. Oh, John Deere's quiet, I'm gone. Pull up here, Hogan.
2 birds, 1 stone. 2 birds, 1 DC. 2 birds, 1 DC. John Deere, bye.
Damn nasty boy, you heard John. Hey, nasty boy, you heard John that time, sure did. Alright, man, let me get out the way. Well, you'll probably did hit your key, but nasty boy was on the top. But good morning, Holiday Wave, I'm Barbados. John Deere, Carolina, gone. Yeah, right. About audio problem, you an audio pipe. You did use a little bit more, man, but nasty boy rode you down. Oh, nasty boy rode you down and made it rough and tough. Alright, then y'all take care of my pull back, bro. John Deere, Carolina, go. Audio pipe, there you go. Alright, I didn't see it that way, pipe. I seen you.
Talking about shit, John Deere. I'm gonna get on out of here. I'm just out here around this little gate when your feet got down.
Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Peter. Man, chicken for Deere for GA. Hey, man, I'm gonna be on. I heard you got the Peter Pan get out there. Oh, John Deere, quiet. I'm gone.
I appreciate it. I ain't came out here to steal nobody's joy or nobody's talk show. Put it on here later. John Deere. Oh, Peter, back quiet.
Come on, Peter. I bet a good money got my world around my
Good morning, Chainsaw. I'm back quiet.
The moon. It's green and trigger change. I got on down.
And I slow key to set that on. Put it on here, Chainsaw. Oh, Peter Pan Station got down, got down.
You got it. I'm back reading.
Like you, me too. I'm back reading the mail too. Hey, John Deere out there trying to tell me something, but you had that maul down. Put it on your later chainsaw. I'm back quiet.
No. Tell me what I said. I'm down.
You said don't start nothing, it won't be nothing. That's what you told me, chainsaw. You want me to tell John Deere, don't start nothing, it won't be nothing. I'm back quiet.
And make sure you tell the 28, you tell her 28 the one, don't start nothing.
And I left him on the mall. He on the mall right now. Hey, chainsaw, you wanted me to tell 28 don't start nothing, won't be nothing too. But when he gets off that mall, I guess he hear what you said. Put on your later chainsaw. I'm back quiet.
Yeah, okay. Oh, he's on back out here. Peter, long as you don't start nothing, it won't be nothing. I see you.
And I appreciate the bump down to get back, and I got it all on video gate. Put on your later chainsaw. Yo, Peter Pan Station got down clear.
Bye, Peter.
28 standing down and go.
Good morning to you, 28. I'm out of here.
Hey, Peter, you don't want to
Hey, Jiggalo, them boys making it rough, man, but I'm going to bump it down. And we're for the volunteer. Top of the morning tier, welcome to the weekend. Jiggalo, you made the video gate. Oh, Peter Pan got down. I'm going out of here. Top of the morning, everybody. I'm back quiet. Bye-bye.
Good morning, out of here.